Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to create the users in Jenkins. Some of the projects they may not use AD or LDAP. Okay, role-based authorized strategy. They may require to create manually. How we can create the users? Let's see. Okay, let's see the demo. Here, I have logged into the particular Jenkins. Go to the manage Jenkins. Here we have a manage users, right? Click this manage users. Here currently we are seeing only one user. Okay, now I'm going to create the another user. Create a user. Here I'm creating the username is Muni. Okay, I'm giving the password here. Then you can give the name. Name is I'm giving Muralidhara Reddy. Okay, then you can give the mail ID. Mail ID I'm giving techworldwithmurali@gmail.com. Okay, create the user. So now I have created the Muni user. If you observe here, I have created the user. Okay, if you create the user, default it will be available. You can able to access all the things. The reason is we are not restricting anywhere. Okay, just we have created the user. Okay, in case if you use the LDAP, in case if you use the activated AD, okay, you can restrict there. We can create the multiple groups and we can create a based on user. We can add the particular users to the particular groups. For example, if you want to give only read-only access, if you want to give only admin level access, you can restrict there. And also we have an option role-based authorization strategy plugin. Using that one, you can able to restrict the particular user permissions as well. Later part, I will show you that one. Okay, now what I'm doing here, I'm going to log out this one. Here, I'm logging with Muni user. Okay, use the Muni user. Now if you see here, I logged in. Now if you see here, you have admin full access. Now you are able to see the jobs and now you are able to view the admin level, manage Jenkins, everything you are able to view. Okay, but then if you want to create the user, just simply go to the manage Jenkins, manage users, and then we can create the users. Remember, some of the projects, they may not use LDAP, they may not use role-based access strategy plugin, authorization strategy plugin. Then we will be manually create and just will be give the particular users to the engineers. Okay, but very rare this manually creating the users is very rare. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.